up and welcome to Vlogmas day 13. So currently it is, let's take a look, 9:36 a.m. It is Friday. I should probably start off with that. I'm gonna set you guys here. Make you straight. There we go. So it is Friday. It is 9:36 a.m. I just got out the shower, which is why my hair is wet, and I'm getting ready to do my makeup. Today's gonna be a fun day. So currently I am going to be I'm going to meet up with Julius in a second when I get done doing my makeup and getting dressed, because we are going to pick out a Christmas tree for my house. We don't have one yet and I really wanted to get one, so I told my mom I'd go pick out the Christmas tree this year. Oh my god, none of my liquid's coming out. I know it's there. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later now. Sorry. I am currently chilling in the car. I cleaned up my back seat, kind of. It was a lot worse. I had so much like clothes and random stuff back there. Also, my little nephew, Sean, was eating goldfish in my back seat and an entire thing of goldfish fell. So I have to get my car vacuumed. But currently we just be chilling in the car. I'm waiting for Julius to come out of his house. I'm going to pick him up now, and then I think I need to get gas because I literally, guys, have 44 miles left until E. And I love, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know this, but I'm constantly playing a fun little game called Let's See How Far Kayla Can Make It Before She Runs Out of Gas. Which isn't a good idea living in Wisconsin, because in the winter time it gets cold and you kind of want to have gas in like your car and such. But yeah, so I'm waiting for Julius to pop up, and then he's gonna pump my gas like the good best friend that he is. I'm gonna throw my coat back there, and then I'm gonna put my gloves in my glove box. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Hello, welcome back. Welcome again. You blend in with the trees with all your green. Okay guys, so we have made it to Home Depot to get Christmas trees, and I have to burp. Yeah, that's literally it. We made it to Home Depot to get Christmas trees. These fir trees are $50. Why are Christmas trees so freaking expensive? Oh my god. Oh, this one's like flopped. There's your snow for the year. Yeah, balsam is $60. So balsam your way back over here. Okay, so we have made it to Forever 21. Don't know what we're gonna get yet. Still trying to figure that out, but this is what this is. So let's see what we can find. Cue the montage because we don't want copyright. Hello you guys, what is up? How are you today? It's not how I start my videos. Hello you guys, what is up, and welcome back to Vlogmas day 15th. It is Saturday, December 15th. I'm currently in my room getting ready to clean. I have literally like pile of clothes that I have to get cleaned up, and then I'm going to meet with the girls. I'm so excited. I'm going to meet with Lexi and Heather at 3 o'clock supposedly. We're supposed to check in because we we reserved a hotel for today, like tonight, just to have like a fun little girl sleepover and just be like bougie and have like a staycation. So I'm really excited. So we got a hotel that we're gonna stay at, and then we're gonna go swimming. We're gonna have some wine, do some face masks, you know, just girly things. And then tomorrow we're going out to brunch, and then we're doing some Christmas shopping. And I did some shopping yesterday with Julius, which I started to film for you guys, and honestly, I just I won't necessarily say forgot, but like I kind of wanted to just spend some time hanging out with my friend, because me and him don't hang out that often, so I really wanted to like enjoy hanging out with him. But I got some Christmas shopping done. I got some Christmas presents, and then some of them I like. So I'm like a very anal person when it comes to gifts, so I like to really think about everything that I'm getting everybody and like make a list, and I didn't do that this time. I kind of just like spontaneously bought stuff, and I got home last night and I was like, ooh, I really don't like this for this person, I really don't like that for that person. So I found like stuff that I'm actually gonna get. So only people that are left on my list is my dad and Julius's mom, which I'm gonna order her stuff online. And I have to find something for my dad and then something for my older sister, which I also have to get a birthday present for her, but I think I might just treat her out like while I'm down in Austin for her birthday. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, so that's what's happening right now. I am kind of very excited to just like, I don't know, I'm excited for today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna vlog it all so you guys will be able to witness it. But I have to get a move on and getting stuff like cleaned up a bit, because I really want to come home and have like a decently cleaned room. I have to find where I put my swimsuit because the hotel we're staying at has a pool, so we're gonna go swimming and stuff. I think I mentioned that already. But yes, I have to clean very badly. And start putting stuff up. I'm gonna put on some YouTube videos, and then yeah, I'll check back in with you guys when it's clean. It's like, what time is it? I have to charge my phone, but it's like, guys, it's 1:56 p.m. It's damn near 2 o'clock. We're supposed to meet at 3. I'm probably gonna text them and be like, hey, I can't meet till 3:30, especially because I have to wait for my laundry to like finish. And as long as I get like the majority of stuff cleaned up in my room, I can care less about finishing the last part of my laundry. Like, that's not too much of a concern. I just wanted to get most of it done so I don't have to worry about doing it tomorrow when I come home. So that's where we're at right now. But I'm gonna go clean, and then I have to get dressed, and then I have to go run and return some stuff to Target and to Marshall's, and then at some point I have to return stuff to like Hot Topic because I bought something for my sister at Hot Topic and I changed my mind about it, and a lot needs to happen. So I'm gonna go get started. I'm gonna stop rambling, and I will catch up with you guys once I have my room somewhat situated. Okay guys, so it's a little bit later now. It is currently 2:57. I got the majority of my like clothes picked up and folded. So I have my finishing touches. Hold on, I have a notification on my watch. Okay, so I have the finishing touches going on with that. But I'm getting ready to pack my like overnight bag and stuff. And currently I have, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. I don't know if you could really see it. It's kind of like in a grubby mirror, but I have on this shirt that is from Loft, and it says "Let's do brunch," which I thought was so cute. It's one of my favorite shirts. So I have the shirt, and then these leggings, these like athletic leggings that I posted in a haul from what's it called, from Marshall's, and they have like, oh, you probably can't see that. Let me see if you can see it this way. But they have like mesh paneling on the side. I don't know. And then this cardigan that I have literally been living in that I got that's thrifted. So that's what I'm wearing. I'm going to put on my yellow beanie that I wear literally everywhere. With it, I'm going to get, I have deodorant in my overnight bag. I need to get stuff for like hair. And I'll probably get like makeup remover. Ugh. Oh my god, someone came in right as I was walking. The bag is so heavy. She's gonna be like, Kayla, why do you have such a heavy ass bag for one night? And be like, we gotta be prepared. So we are here. Excuse me. Okay, so our room number is 405. That was so uncomfortable. Someone was like waiting inside the elevator. Okay, let's go. 409, 406. pee-pee? Housekeeping.
Welcome to my crib.
Oh my god. MTV Cribs, what's up, B? This bag is so heavy because I have all my vlogging stuff in here and like I'm crying. Hello. Okay, hi guys. We made it to the room. Oh, you guys had a nice view.
They tried putting us on the first floor.
You fought. She fought. We already know she fought.
Anything in a nice voice. She goes, do you have anything higher? He goes, oh yes, we can do that for you.
Oh my god. Guys, okay, so officially welcome squad to the vlog. We have Heather looking like the beautiful angel, Lexi looking like a handsome devil. There's me. We're reunited.
Possibly. I think mine's a 1X, so that would work probably better.
Look at Lexi's little tush.
Huh?
Does it look at your little tush?
Isn't it cute? You and Spencer are like the same boy.
Oh my god.
I always tell him he has a 12-year-old girl's butt. I'm a 12-year-old woman.
That's on film. What's up, guys? So it's a lot later since I last talked to you. I think the last time we talked to you were in Target. But we are getting ready to go swimming. We went to like 4 different grocery stores to get one. Why did you get regular Flamin' Hots?
Because I like having my asshole intact.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a good point. Good point. Okay, so I'm gonna have Heather and Lexi film a haul. It's gonna be their first haul. Get excited. We got a little bit of everything, and then we're gonna drink some drinks, and then go to the pool. All right, Heather, what did you get?
I don't like doing that.
I refuse to participate. So.
I got this top. Super cute, super Heather.
Cute. Doesn't show the front, but okay.
Got this other top. I have like 12 things like
Okay, so that top is from Ava and Viv. It's a really pretty like marigold color that has white and pale pink flowers all over it.
$7.48.
So she got it on clearance. It's a steal. The other one is from Knox Rose.
Everyone's favorite.
Boom Chicka, butter caramel, and what else?
Dark chocolate drizzled sea salt.
Yum.
Never
A
had
complete
one.
cookie.
Gotta try it.
Excited. Go ahead.
And then the fun.
Some Malibu.
That's all mine.
Lexi. I got her with a cookie in her mouth.